Everything looks so much better with sparkle and glitter. So what do you say, kids? How about we add a little sparkle to you too? Introducing the Glitter Tree and its fantastic range of body art products. The Glitter Tree is committed to offering the most innovative temporary tattoos and accessory product ranges available in today's busy and ever-growing marketplace, combined with the great service you would want and expect when visiting an ordinary shop on the high street. Beautiful, trendy and cool tattoos that'll make you stand out when with friends. All you have to do is 1. Peel and remove the paper backing from the rear of the stencil. 2. Place the stencil onto the desired area. 3. Apply glue to the stencil using the applicator. 4. As the glue dries, use the small brush to apply the glitter powder and a big brush to dab the glitter into place. 5. Brush away the excess and remove the stencil. And that's all! You're now ready to lead the way. Get yours at www.theglittertree.com today.